Blackstar, there's going to be a 1050
Okay.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern
Another
Manitoba
Environment of
at
Canada?
6:54 p.m.
Yeah,
Central Daylight
I missed
Time,
the first one,
Sunday,
and then
July
there's
29,
another one.
2012. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for rural municipality of Dufferin, including Carman, Rose Isle, and Homewood. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for the city of Winnipeg, rural municipality of Richot, including St. Adolphe and Santa Gat, rural municipality of Taché, including Lorette, St. Genevieve, and Landmark, rural municipality of the Salaberry, including St. Pierre,
I mean, I live in
and
Altuve,
St.
so
Malo,
I'm under the
rural
flash flood.
municipality of Hanover,
Oh,
including
wow.
Steinbach, Niversville, and
I mean,
Glenfall,
usually my flash
rural
flood,
municipality
hold on.
of